This is the Oscal C70, a budget phone with insane specs that only costs me around $100. And for that we get 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, Android 12, a 5180 mAh battery, 6.6-inch display, the Unisoc T606 processor, and what I'm most excited about, a 90 Hz refresh rate. This is the first time we get anything more than 60 in one of these budget phones, and that's why I'm pretty excited. So let's just open it up and see what's inside. Which is the phone, obviously, but extendable RAM, I still don't understand that part. Been sitting on my desk for 2 days. I've been really looking forward for this review. Oh, and the box is not. Okay, tempered glass screen protector. The phone itself, ooh, look at those lenses. Plastic body, but doesn't feel too bad. The box, it's typical, this charging brick cable. And here we have our manuals and our SIM ejector tool. We haven't really seen 90 Hertz in a while. It's like always been 120 Hertz on all the newest phones, but this is like a budget phone. So, I mean, how much more expensive would it have been to make every phone 120? I don't know, but first impressions, display looks pretty nice. Teardrop design, yeah, this is such a dated design, but I mean, I'm not complaining. I don't think it looks bad. Do have a little bit of a chin, but when you're actually looking at the phone, you don't really notice it. So I'm gonna set this up and get back to you. All right, face unlock already in the setup. I don't know about fingerprint unlock. If this doesn't have fingerprint, then that would be really weird and disappointing because this phone is over $100. Wait, let me set this up. That face setup took like 0.1 second, what the hell. And we do have fingerprint as well. Let's do that. Okay, I was right, it's over here on the side. Okay, I was worried for a second, like over $100, no fingerprint unlock. Like really, dude, you're gonna add all these other features but not fingerprint unlock? But it does have it, so we're good. In first impressions, you can really feel the high refresh rate display. Dare I say, it even looks better than Apple's. Because Apple has that thing where they say 120 Hertz, but it doesn't feel that way. Now, I was not the only one that noticed that. I've seen other YouTubers complain about that too, but so far phone feels very snappy. So let me set up a few apps and I'll get back to you once again. Let's see how the fingerprint works though. All right. Not bad. Not face unlock. Wow. Registering my face took 0.1 seconds and it's this good. This is surprising. Like I've never concluded this quickly, like how well the fingerprint and face unlock work, but we do have a bunch of built-in games. Kitty Blast, what is this? Oh, it's made with Unity. But I haven't even started, it's already asking me to pay. Is this like a Candy Crush ripoff? Wait, I can cash out? I can earn real money? Wait, oh wait, no, it's asking. What is this? What? What am I doing here? Dude, I haven't even played for 5 seconds. It's already asking me to pay hundreds of. Oh my god, this game is absolute cancer. No. What about Block Puzzle? Okay, Block Puzzle doesn't even open. Okay, now wait, maybe now it will? Also made with Unity. Okay. Wait, oh my god, dude, these games. It's like Tetris or something? Okay. That's that. Bingo night. Dude, I can already tell this game's gonna be really bad. Nope. Nope, I'm done with these games. Alright, built-in games, bad. Alright, now let's try the games that we downloaded. And this is mostly just to test the performance of the phone. Okay, Knife It works well. I'm not gonna test it for long because I've had people complain that I'm playing games for too long. And by the way, guys, be sure to check out my private Twitter account. Just type that name in the search and you will find me, and I would appreciate a follow. Anyway, Wind Rider works really well. And this game, is actually pretty demanding. So the fact it works this well is already surprising. Like Blackview is stepping up their game. I can tell you that much. Okay, so the speaker actually gets pretty loud. However, it sounds a little bit muffled and overall quality not the best. I did expect a little bit better for the price. However, we have a headphone jack, so that's nice. I mean, I guess for someone who's used to iPhone speakers, like this speaker just, yeah, it doesn't sound the best. But it's not the worst either. So rear camera, the box says 50 megapixels, but here, let's just go by what the setting says. So rear camera, 12.5 megapixels. Front camera, 8 megapixels. Front video, 1080p. Rear video, also 1080p. Alright, so let's do our first selfie. First time the volume button doesn't take a picture? What the? Let's go outside. Okay, rear facing video. Tap the screen to focus. That works? Alright, cool. Gotta tap the screen again just to focus back. Yeah, that's annoying. And front facing video. Let me know what you think. And so this phone gets a thumbs up from me, because for $110, I don't want to say an exact price because it could vary, but you do get a lot for the price you pay. You get good performance, a good display, decent speakers, decent camera. There's really not much room to complain with the price to performance that you get with this phone. Like if I was broke, I would definitely consider this phone and use it as a daily driver because it doesn't stutter. I mean, everything about it is decent. Like that's pretty much all I can say. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.